Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We're gonna be talking about products that just don't work. I have a huge bin of them, so much that it's like piling into another bin. There's some luxury, some drugstore, and then skincare, and it's kind of a little bit of a mix through. I have about 10 items in front of me. We're gonna start out and talk about this dry shampoo right here from Sephora. This is the Coconut Dry Conditioner. Oh my God, no wonder this didn't work out for me. I can't even, I'm like having flashbacks of being in my hotel room and wondering why this was so bad. And I remember like looking in the mirror and being like, oh my God, the second I get back to LA, I need to tell my family, my subscribers, like I need to warn them about this dry shampoo and how bad it is. Wow, this is a dry conditioner. What on the earth is a dry conditioner though? Needs no water to nourish the hair and repair the appearance of split ends for hair that is stronger, shinier, and more resistant. Okay, so basically this is like oil, and I spent a morning trying to do my hair and get the oil out of my hair because I didn't pack a blow dryer. The mini hair dryers in hotels, I can't. I need like a full power hair dryer to get my hair dry, and even that takes a long time. So I was relying on this. I picked it up after going to dinner. I went to Sephora, I grabbed this, I doused it in my hair. No wonder I looked like a greasy mess. That's so embarrassing. I will tell you this, I went into Sephora specifically looking for this one right here, which they only sell online. They don't have it in the stores. But the Rio Gio Scalp Revival Charcoal and Biotin Dry Shampoo, this is so good. It is like, I cannot even explain it to you. It's something that has to be experienced. But you literally like shake this and you puff it out. You got to be careful not to do too much, but it really, really gets rid of your oil, even if you're like 3 days no shampoo, 4 days no shampoo. I'm not joking. It gets rid of it somehow. It just does the job right. Another item that I packed with me on that very trip was this right here from Mercier. This is the Almond Coconut Milk Body Butter. That's the weirdest thing. I don't know. And I almost need to share this with you guys because I know someone else out there has had this same experience. I need to know. Okay, you put this on and for like a minute, you're like, I smell like delicious vacation and coconut. And then all of a sudden, it just smells really weird and fruity, like fruity cardboard. I can't really describe it, but it turns so weird on me. Has anyone else experienced that with the Laura Mercier lotions? I don't know, maybe I'm crazy. Oh my gosh, look what I found in my bad bin, you guys. This was like one of the OG WTFs where I tried out this rotating foundation brush. It wasn't terrible. It's definitely not worth the price, but this compared to the power that the Clarisonic does for you as far as blending, this is just like, meh. It just sounds kind of pathetic, you know? And like the Clarisonic is just full charge, blend, fast, and I was kind of laughing at this. I'm getting rid of it. It needs to leave. Something from the drugstore that I recently tried is from Neutrogena. This is the Hydro Boost Hydrating Lip Shine. This says it makes lips look and feel hydrated for 24 hours. I didn't really like this. I just felt like I needed to put a lot on, and it just kind of was balmy, but not, I don't know, I didn't like it. And you know what? I can't even get this plastic bit off of here. I hate that kind of packaging. It makes me crazy where you have to like really like go in and really rip it apart to get in here. This was kind of like minty and fine, but it had the weirdest applicator. Like, is that not the weirdest applicator? It looks like a doe foot applicator got like stomped on or something. And it just doesn't apply enough, and you go back and it's like hard to get it. You see that? It's like the doe foot applicator is gonna snap off, dude. Not enough comes out and the applicator's a joke, and then to add insult to injury, like I'm annoyed by the plastic to get into here. Okay, you guys, I have to say something just really quickly. I just had a lot of people reaching out to me wondering if I was still gonna do videos like this, if I felt like I was still gonna go in and tell you guys what didn't work for me and what did work for me and all of that, because people were like, oh, so other people can't talk bad about your product, but you can talk bad about other people's products. And for me, what I feel is right is to actually try the product first. So I have tried all these products out, and I also want to explain to you why they didn't work. When it comes to Halo, what I'm asking For those of you that are able to try it before you bash it. Try it before you pick it apart, because it is a very different formula. There are already so many before and afters that you just cannot pick apart, and I have not paid anyone. These are not, people that I am saying, hey, on the side, come, take a before and after and do the review for me. There's none of that. So the proof is in the pudding. You can take a look at the before and afters and you can see it right before your eyes. It is what it is. It works. I believe in it. I just don't think it's very fair to tear something apart that you have not even tried. Now you can say, I'm not gonna buy that because I don't like supplements or I don't believe in that. That's fine. But to be like, it's horrible, it's garbage, it's gross, I think that's really, really uncool and unfair, and maybe that's just me and I'm being protective of something I created and I'm so passionate about, but I thought that I would just share that with you guys. Let's get back to the failure products. All right, the Body Shop. I used this like twice when I was having breakouts during my period. This is the Tea Tree Anti-Imperfection Night Mask. I like how this smells. I still use tea tree all the time to disinfect, to use it as a blemish treatment. I've used it to clean my makeup brushes before. It's a great essential oil, and I normally like everything with tea tree in it, but the problem with this one is, do you see how it's like come back together? It's so weird. You go in here and it's like this weird gel. You put it on and it just does not sink into the skin. So you get this everywhere. Like you get it all over your pillow. You get it kind of down your neck, because I was only putting it kind of in the areas where I was having hormonal breakouts. And James was just not into this at all. He's like, your face is so sticky. Like, what are you doing? And I'm like, okay, I don't think I can use this again. So if you do not like stickiness from a night mask, then I would definitely say maybe think twice about this one from the Body Shop. All right, I also recently tried a ton of Essence products, and I tested this out because I thought it could be great. It wasn't. We know what video we're watching. This one right here is the Make Me Glow highlighter, and it is just chunk. It is like the chunkiest highlighter ever. It doesn't look that bad on my hand right here, but like when you put it on, if you don't give it a really solid shake, it's like this chunky lotion texture, and it doesn't really even do anything. Like I'll compare. Look at this. This is Marc Jacobs right next to it. Do you see? Oh my gosh. That actually does something. This one, it's just kind of like you're putting cream that has a little bit of a slip to it and a little bit of a shine. This is one of those things where everybody loves this foundation. Like, I feel left out. I feel like I'm the only one that doesn't like it. And because of that, I kept trying this over and over and over and over. And the NARS Longwear foundation, this is the Natural Radiant Longwear foundation. This is their newest one. Just does not want to stick to my face. It slides around. If I so much as like graze my face or like bump my face or rest my chin on my hand, it's off. Like it's blotchy and it's off, and it turns really oily on me really fast. I don't know why. This is just an example of things not working the same for everyone as far as makeup goes. So that is an ultimate pass for me. Of course, the Marc Jacobs foundation, I did not wear that one again. That's also a total pass. To be honest, the new one from IT Cosmetics, I have been trying that and I'm not really liking it, but I do love a lot of NARS foundations, so that was kind of interesting. Ugh. This one right here from Clinique, this is the Pretty Easy Liquid Eyelining Pen. And this goes on really well. It's a nice like felt applicator. You feel very like shoop, you get it on and then it gets all over your face. It just gets everywhere. It collects in the inner corner, it smears, it feathers, and I only had to wear it one time to realize that I was just not going to wear it again, because that's my number one complaint when it comes to liquid liners. I just need them to stay put. That's all I want. All I want is for them to stay put, and that's enough for me to like fall in love with it. And this was just kind of like all over the place, so it is a hard pass. The one that I'm still just so in love with that I'm wearing again today is this one from Smashbox. This is the Always On Liquid Eyeliner. Like, I actually have anxiety that this will go away. I feel bad even saying anything about this brand because it's a smaller brand that I had never really heard of, and this was sent to me. This is from Sam Marcel. This is the Luxurious Volumizing Mascara, and to be honest, this got everywhere. It like got all over my eyelid. It smeared everywhere. This was just such a giant no. However, their lip products are so gorgeous. So I would highly recommend their lip products. The mascara I could do without, just did not like it. Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour Cream. I'm getting rid of this and I thought I would share. I can't get this sucker to work. I can't figure it out. It looks so streaky and blotchy even when I blend it with my Clarisonic. I've tried blending it with a NARS Ita, with a sponge. I've used it without oil, with oil. I can't get this to blend. And I love these Shade and Light powders. Like these, I use all of the time. I love them so much. There's really nothing else out there like it. So it was sad for me, but I'm saying goodbye. I gotta make room. I have a new rule that I've set for myself in my beauty studio, and that is if a new thing stays, an old thing goes, because I'm just not one to keep this expansive makeup collection. And I know I have a ridiculous amount of makeup that I could never use myself. I get that. I keep a lot to swatch, compare, and reference for dupes videos, or if I'm going off a certain color palette. But I've gotten to the point where I'm like, okay, enough is enough. If I have a new thing going in, an old thing is going out, and either it's going to be given away, donated, or tossed, depending on how used and how old it is. So this one is going away. Couldn't figure out how to get you to work. All right, you guys, there you have it. All the products that currently are not working out for me that I'm getting rid of for one reason or another. I hope this was helpful to you. And if you enjoy these kind of videos, be sure to hit the thumbs up button, leave me comments below. Let me know that you want more of these and that you're into the kind of more negative videos. Sometimes you guys are, sometimes you're not. So I love hearing your feedback, and I hope you're having a good one, whatever you are doing. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Mwah.